Hey everybody, it's Earl coming to you from MGMClassicCars.com, Addison, Illinois. Look what rolled into the photo booth. Gorgeous 1966 Chevelle SS, a true SS 138 VIN number code. That's how you detect it. All your chrome in the front is good. This car is fresh with 1,400 miles. So it's been on the road and proven. It was a rotisserie done car. Look how clean it is inside. 396. Manifolds, pretty much original, but every nut, let me get close, take a look. Every nut and bolt was touched on this beauty. Keeping it to what it should be when it came out of the factory. It has a heater, power steering, nice little fan added. I like that. Keep it cool. But all the suspension, the underneath is beautiful. And you can just see every nut and bolt's been touched on it. Just really done well. Lines up great. I think the only panel that was ever replaced may have been this front fender. 396 badged, front discs in the front, little rev wheels all the way around. Yeah, because the cap's off just a little bit, but that could be adjusted. This side is, because this needs to come in a little bit, but that's it. But look at the body. I mean, it is laser straight all the way down. Paint shines amazing. All your glass and chrome around the whole entire car is in very to great condition. All the chrome is good. All your badging's good. It's got a 12-bolt posi rear end. True SS car. You can see how clean it is all the way throughout. Look at this. Look at your welds. Pretty much original to form. Underneath is amazing as well. Trunk is in great shape. All your weather stripping and moldings on this whole entire car. So everything was done. Rear glass is gorgeous. I see one little thing popping up. I'll fix this. Just like popping up that little thing back there. Roof line good. Again, all the way down straight. Great stance. And this side is all done right. Gaps are good. Door to quarter, fender to door. You can see that when I step off. Just the right stance all the way around. Interior is true to form all the way throughout. Seatbelts intact in the rear. Your buckets, console, 4-speed manual transmission. All your door panels to inside your crevices, that was done. Since it's been done, it has 1,408 miles on this car. I think the only thing that wasn't working was the clock. Everything else was working, your lights were working. Interior's in great shape, headliner nice and tight, dash pad good. Put the little extra set of gauges on there. Original radio, good stuff. Give it a little gas. Car runs out great. True to form. Gas gauge is working. Yeah, it's a pretty car. Solid tank. 66, 67, I mean, come on. They're the winners. 2-year build. It's located in our warehouse in Addison, Illinois, 15 minutes southwest of O'Hare Airport. We've got over 250 in stock, ready to go. Season's here. Came a little early, thank God. You can take a look. We've got anything from Chevys that you love to Pontiacs, Buicks, Oldsmobiles, you name it, we've got them. Got 2 warehouses. We do offer financing if you have good credit, up to 180 months. We do shipping all over the United States, bonded and insured. She shines so nice. And under these lights, you can see any if there's wrong with the paint, there's nothing there. I couldn't find anything. If you watch my videos, I usually will be able to point it out, and I do. We're open Monday through Friday from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. and Saturday from 10 to 2, all by appointment only. All our cars are on our website, mgmclassiccars.com. Our pricing, descriptions, videos, and photos. If you have any questions on anything, you could always reach out to me by calling me or texting me. This way I could answer your questions. I could be reached at 773-600-0919. My name is Earl. That's 773-600-0919. What a great ass on that car. Oh, come on. Great stance. So like us on Facebook, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Someone better be calling soon. Let's get this thing home. It's not going to last long. We know how these 66s go, especially a true 138 SS. Here's the car, red and ready. Have a great day, everybody.